Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to download Ubuntu ISO 22.04. Simply you have to type the Ubuntu ISO 22.04 in the browser and the Ubuntu official website will be available. You have to click on the link and here you have multiple options available. You can select an image, desktop image, server install image or WSL image which can be installed on the Windows. Furthermore, you have parent directory available here. You can download the Ubuntu 22.045 desktop, AMD 64 ISO desktop, ISO for computer, Zinc Metafile, and many other live server, AMD torrent. You have multiple options available. We are going to download the desktop image that I am going to use for my virtual machine or the physical server installation. You have to click on this 64-bit PC AMD 64 AMD image, and here you have to click on the save button and the download will be started automatically. The size of the ISO is 4.4 GB of and it will take 25 minutes to download. It will depend on your internet speed that in how many time it will be downloaded. Okay, our ISO has been downloaded. It will be look like this after the installation. Hope you guys understood how you can download the Ubuntu 22.04 ISO for the installation and lab purpose. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.